Hey, good day to you. This is Rin, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. Finally crashed towards downside. Have you remember last week I told you about this? It's going to fall. It happens. All right. So right now we're waiting for a retracement back up, hopefully somewhere around this level. And what we can do over here is to do a setting. Right click, add alert under pound dollar, GU, D1. S and R short. Okay, later I'll add the indicator over here. Okay, so this is pretty much my plan, shorting pound dollar. For our chart, you can see very bearish movement, and you can see there are two indicators over here just looking to short. All right, at the extreme or the immediate aggressive. All right, so let's see how it goes. Definitely an area for me to short. Looking for shorting opportunity. And 1 hour chart, this is what we got. Okay, bearish movement. Back to daily chart, let me share with you my analysis. So over here, this is what we got, a indicator that will teach you or share with you how to do trading analysis. And I promise you, this is something that you love it. It's so simple. Having 15 years in trading and 12 years in coaching, we know how to simplify things. And even if we have recorded, give you a training, and if you find that there's other ways of explaining this and make it easier for you, we will definitely do that. Do a version 2 for you. It's like a remake or a version 2.0 and stuff like that, so that it is clearer. All right, so this is what we got on the daily chart. I'm waiting for a retracement, retest back up to this level, and I don't think there's a need for me to draw a line because the indicator has drawn for me. Can you see that? Okay, so that saved me the trouble as well. For our chart, daily I don't see, all right, a support line over here. Okay, which the indicator has already spotted as well. Okay, for our chart, this is what we got over here. Amazing. Okay, sell zone that I'm waiting for a shorting opportunity, and down to the 1 hour. This is pretty much what I have as well. Okay, waiting for a retracement back up for a shorting opportunity. That's pretty simple. Oh, and sometimes the easiest, the most direct, straightforward analysis is the one that's going to help you to make more money. All right, so that's pretty much I have for you today. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan. Looking forward to see you soon. Take care, guys.